Do you want to travel anywhere in the world and earn? Do you want to be able to earn an income while traveling? What is holding you back? If it is funds, then stay on because I may have a solution for you. My name is Nina. I am an avid traveler. Absolutely love adventure. I'm also a digital marketer, and I'm here to share a couple of strategies with you so that you too can get your travel boots on and come join me in traveling. I'm going to share with you 3 things that you need to have if you want to be earning and traveling. Where is your next travel adventure to? I'm heading to Greece. What about you? Pop it in the comments below. I'd absolutely love to hear where you guys are traveling to next or where you would love to travel to. So, for me, 3 things that I always need when I'm traveling, if I want to be earning while I'm traveling, are the following. Number 1, a reliable income stream. You can do this a number of different ways. Usually it is either owning your own business and having revenue that is coming in on a daily, weekly, monthly basis to support you. Number 2 is having a digital online product that is being sold through an automated system. And number 3 is that you are a trust fund baby and that there is plenty of money for you to go and spend. So if you are not number 3, scratch that off the list. If you're not a trust fund baby and that is not an option for you, scrap that off the list. If you are not a business owner or you have to be too hands-on in your business, that doesn't count. You want to be able to have a business that literally can run by itself in the background without you needing to literally be there. If that's the case, awesome. If it's not, scratch that one off the list as well. And then it leaves you kind of like with the second option that we went through, which is a digital online product. And if you want to hear more about that, head over to our website, www.captaincarter.travel, and you can grab our blueprint there, or just pop your name in the comments below, or blueprint in the comments below, and I'll be sure to get that to you. So very often, or key thing is you need a reliable income source. And if you do not have a reliable income source, it is very difficult to go traveling regularly. So if one of those 3 options is open to you, awesome. If you have more than one of those options, fantastic. All right, let's get to the next one. The second one might be really interesting to you, and that is you need to be prepared to share your story. You need to be prepared to maybe go online, whichever social media stream that is, and maybe work 2 hours a day where you're actually sharing what it is that you're doing and learning and experiencing so that others can follow you and so that you're starting to create this audience and this traction for you. Again, so that if you have in the previous one a digital online product that you're selling, that there is something, that there is an audience that you've got that will be drawn towards that product. So you need to be willing to share your story, your travel adventures with others, and that you are able to commit to about 2 hours a day of that to create content like I am for you guys right now, that is helpful, insightful, and will motivate others to take action to live their dreams. And number 3 key is Wi-Fi. You need to have access to reliable Wi-Fi because you want to be able to share your story and adventures with others in real time. People absolutely love hearing about real-time adventures. So those are my 3 key aspects or things that you need to consider if you're wanting to earn and travel at the same time. You need to have a reliable income stream. You need to be prepared to share your story online with people. And number 3, you need to make sure that there is reliable Wi-Fi access to you. If you're keen to find out more about the 4 online digital products that we sell, head over to our website, www.captaincarter.travel, sign up to our newsletter, and you'll get automatic access to a blueprint as well as an understanding as to what the products are that we have on offer for you. Or just hang out and watch the next video and learn a little bit more about our adventure and what digital marketing is all about, or what the digital growth community is about. See you in the next one.